Bless up my people, blessings. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm there now, my people. I'm there in the day giving God thanks for life as usual. I don't know what I mean. Yeah, man. Big up to all of the viewers and the subscribers all over the world. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up to everyone in the beautiful Turks and Caicos, Jamaica. I don't know the thing of people. See? Yeah, man. Big up to the security them in the Turks and Caicos who was a newlink production. You see me I say? All of the security them who tune into newlink. Big up on yourself. You see it? Yeah, man. All of them. Big up. Special big up. But you are going now, people. You know some of the idea, people. And me there, Zane. Honestly, me there. And my body does feel hot. Me feel hot, people. And me say, you know, me look into it and me say, you know that, yo, when we have a Jamaica, we have a paradise done there, yo, and some man a destroy with paradise done there, people. But I'm not joke thing, you know. Yo, youths, yo, bad man, yo, gunman, yo, everybody, you are going now when you link us, brother. We don't know what we have done there, yo. We need to protect that more. Zin, and we need to start damage the thing, brother. Because here we are going now. You see, all of them river there we got and them mountain there and then heap a tree there, a paradise them. Because enough country in the Caribbean not have them in a brother. You see all of them beautiful rivers there, them look a stream there, they look a spring there, all of them look a nice place that we can go and look a fun time and go look a excursion and them thing that youth. Me say enough place now have them, brother. Zin, yo, what me say enough place now have them, brother. See, you see the eye them now, we don't need to stop the foolishness stand and damage the thing, my youth. You know what people they are foreign and hot like newlink and a sweat right now, brother. And that one river for go chuck off and decide say yo go now, me go born a week in my country, you know. But them afraid to come back to them country dog for come wanna chuck off now the water, my youth. Because you are going now. Done. A time for make a change, you know, brother, man. You can't look at yourself and make a change, now, bro. Can you do it now, man? Man, you me tell us say, yo, enough bad man in the street, you know, you want to make a change, you know. So why you can't make a change, to brother? Enough gunman when me know what did a bad man, Zane, he make a change and put on the gun, yo, and I live a different life, you know, might and them man, they can't be a friend, and I want to tell us, say, yo, them pass and what them used to go through in a life, and enough things them been through, enough things them do, but them look into life and say, yo, they have to make a change, brother. My youth to make a change before it's too late on the life, drain out and run out like when water run through strain a virgin, eh? You see them, they'll go through waste, man, they will go get their life up there, sir. Eh? Yo, youth, my youth, a paradise, you got a Jamaica kind of people. Big man thing, you know. Yo, when I look on Dunsriver Falls, now you will talk about Dunsriver Falls. Think about look at Dunsriver and watch it on there, sir. Zin, when I come to boom, what day, yeah, I'm going to Westmoreland people, I'm going to some valleys and hills, I'm going to find a nice, I could spring up the people. Yo, one of the best spring me ever find in my life. I never remember my name to where nice. Zin, when I come to boom, I'm going to go to Portland, I'm going to go up and reach Falls people. Not even to mention Somerset Falls. Yo, my youth, you don't know how much glorious things we have done there, sir. Where how much people are flying to come inherit. And we have it done there, damage it. Yo, my youth, it a pain me heart, you know, brother. Right now, me heart, you know. Me a sweat, you know. A straight attack, yo, brother. I want to stop the killing now. Make a change, make a difference, yo. My youth, look into it now, my youth. You just forgive now, my youth. If even some people do something sometimes, just forgive now, my youth. Let go now, man. Zane, yo, you know how much money newlink lose from people already? Big man thing. You know how much money me lose from people already? You know how much people go around my thing? You know how much people take my money to do business and newlink and do it? And I could come to a woman and say, oh, PF, easy PF, and lick out boy head. You messing up? You know, rarity. I know no boy blood stain for my name. It's a rarity. Yo, my youth, I saw enough to look into things, yo. I know enough of them people that go around nothing, them disrespect on nothing. You understand? Them bring down on nothing, them mash up on nothing, but here we go on. God is the master, you know, brother. Zane, you see whatever we lose from earth, that's my youth in it. Yo, let me tell you this, sir. You see all of the vanity what we have, everything, the car, Zane, the house, all of the money in the bank, Zane, 5,500 woman, yo. Them is nothing, because when we're dead gone, we left everything. You see it? Dead man tell not tears, brother. So it don't make no sense you kill people for money, dog. It don't make sense you kill people for your care. We have bad man people for their half-pound land, yo. It don't make no sense. Because any idea, none of we not care we do when we dead. The only thing we care we do is Congo worm for nyam out with soul. Nyam out until judgment come. Zane, my youth, you need to look in on yourself, bro, and look on life more, my youth. Big man thing. Zane, you see, you don't have to start thinking of yo. Pray this, yo. You just pray the logics. Look on Michael Jackson, Zane. Look on all of the big stars, them Whitney Houston. Look on Bob Marley. All of the big stars, them dead, right? And gone. Them name a live on, yes, but what? Eh? All of the money what them have, who a live off right now? Now different people. You hear much money Bob Marley worth? Them say I'm the richest artist of Jamaica. Bob Marley was spending them richest state. Eh? When they're dead, they're not nothing, yo. So it don't make no sense to fight and kill people for what we have on earth. See? Me not make no sense, yo. I tell you if we make a change my youth. We make come and say you come a nice country down there, man. You know my country beautiful and nice. Eh? Beautiful and nice. Yo, people. I don't even know, yo. Enough people want to return and them scared, you know, yo. I say, yo, sometimes you have to say, yo, not so scared, man. Go on on them, man. But when I look into it, sometimes people have to scared, you know. When some news are reaching people, you know, yo. As I telling you before, we don't say no people are go around the thing, you know. And no people are messing the people, and making people do things, you know, yo. Or someone don't even stop mixing with trouble with the people, you know, yo. Because, yo, people, I'm tired of it, yo. I'm tired of it, man. Yo. Boy. Yo, me say, me can't travel plenty country in this world right now, more. Plenty. See? Easy thing for newlink comes about, get a ticket or take a cruise and go. You know what I mean? But me look into it, there's no place like home. There's no place like beautiful, beautiful Jamaica land we love. See? So you see the place that me really want to travel to? You see the place that me really want to go spend my money and enjoy my money? Done in my country, Jamaica. That's when newlink really want to go, you know? Me not tell no lie people. That's when newlink really want to go chill, go build, go relax, go sit down, go eat some steamed fish. You understand? Go eat some okra, go sit down on a corner and play some domino, go joke with my youth them, go chill with my youth them. We roll up the other party there, we got this, so you understand? Remember the days when newlink, me they are told, you know, people, me they are escape a party, me they are mass camp a party, me they are uptown Mondays, me they are weddy, me they run a mischief, me they everywhere. Me ain't worry my head, no way. Me just enjoy life. See? When it comes up when we decide, so yo, we are go down pan in Western, we go on a grill pan a trip. See? We go on a Portland pan a trip, we just have fun. The things that me can't do them the thing there again. Oh, me. Now run them the risk there again, people. Me never do it again. Time change. Mankind change. People are change. Everything about man change. Me showing you something now, people. Alright, that's so. Somebody hit me car over there. Right, that's so. See? Me I go around